Hey, beautiful. What's shaking? It's your designer, Jimmylee. I am excited to go over a few things with you. Our YouTube channel is definitely growing, and I'm thrilled about it. So please remember to subscribe, hit the bell button. So that means that you get notified as soon as something's going on. And give me thumbs up if you love it, even if you like it. Encourage me, because I think that's what my life is about encouraging people to live their life. So real quickly, I wanted to go over something with you that I thought was cool. I took care of a bride yesterday. She's doing black. So she's doing this vintage Gothic dress that's all in black, kind of like very tapered and a lot of boning, corset back. It's going to be beautiful, but big and black. She had a she was fabulous, and she had a fabulous man with her that hopefully is going to become my friend. And I looked at him and I saw so much creativity in him. And he said, I can do a little bit of everything. And I said, well, that's your fashion, is everything. So everybody's has a different take on fashion. For me, I'm a fashion-forward designer with a vintage background, I guess. So when you're dressing, I've said over and over again, you're dressed in the inside. You're dressed the way that you feel or the way that you want to feel. And that's what I was having a conversation with him it was really cool because during this time, there's like a million reasons to be depressed. And there's one good reason not to be. And that is life is going to go back. Life is going to be right where it's supposed to be, except it's going to be better. And that's because we're going to be better. We're going to be stronger. I feel it. I know it. So I watch Jeffree Star a lot, and I've been encouraged by his team that I need to make sure that my fashion is hitting everybody, not just the elite. I want it to hit everybody. I want you to understand that if you're not a Prada, Gucci, Louis boy, that you could be an H&M, Walmart boy and still look good. It's not always what you're wearing, it's how you're wearing it. That really makes a difference. I've never been one that can just throw on things and walk out the door and not look at myself because I like to know that I'm put together. And I want you to understand that when you're walking out, look at that mirror for the last second or that last minute and see what little touch-ups you can do that can just make us a little bit more perfection, not perfect, because we know we're not. I always talk about imperfections, and I told the story many times, but I'll say it to you real quick. I'm in a gay bar when I was younger, and I was looking in the mirror, and I was like fixing my hair, and I was young, early 20s or something. And leather pants, the whole thing, the shirt buttoned down, skinny little thing. But I didn't feel so beautiful. I didn't feel so perfect. And there was a man behind me, maybe 10 or 15 years older than me. And he looked, and I saw him smiling, and I'm getting ready. And I didn't pay much attention because I wasn't there to meet somebody. I was there to have fun, dance. And then this guy said to me, what's bugging you? And I said, I have this imperfection, this pimple that left a little indent. And he said to me, I would take that indent in a second if I had the rest of you. It changed my life. He changed my life. He made me understand that what I thought was an imperfection only made me better because I wasn't perfect. Me trying to be perfect, me trying to be the hottest thing in that club, me trying to be the best I could be, and yet it wasn't good enough. He let me know that what I had, he wished he had, and I didn't even appreciate it that day. I appreciate it every day to come, every day after, because I understood that I was blessed. I understood that the outside was just a shell of what was inside. And an imperfection only goes so far. That imperfection did not go inside. It was just on the outside. He changed my life to let me know that imperfections can work with you. They make you stand out. They can even make you feel more special. Barbara Streisand has a larger nose, and everybody's like, why didn't she get a nose job? Why would she? She's perfect just the way she is. Jeffree Star, that is cuckoo with every color hair, and he goes on his show and he has no makeup on, no nothing, his face is shiny because he's going to show you how the Kardashians' makeup is or how different makeup lines look on him. So he starts off with nothing. I'm like, he's letting everybody see him. But why? Because he's comfortable with himself. That those imperfections, those shininess, his face not looking so perfect is okay. Because he's okay. That's a strong person, Jeffree Star. I'm proud of you. But I'm even more proud of you guys. Because this time has been difficult. It's hard for us to get up and function and go on with our day. And somebody like me telling you everything is going to be okay, whew, I understand. Walk the walk, my friend, with me. Because I'm not perfect. And I'm not always okay. So let's do this together. Let's be that next Jeffree Star. Let's grow this YouTube channel. Let's say what he says. Ding! Welcome to our YouTube channel, because it's ours. I don't do this just for me. I'm doing this because for my whole life, I have owned and run fashion design stores, from men's suits to gorgeous prom dresses and now wedding dresses, from undergarments to jewelry to shoes. And now it's time for me to hit you personally and tell you how we could be better. Instead of me doing one at a time, like every client that I would have, majority of them leave hugging me saying, I haven't had an experience like this in my life. And Giovanni, a long time ago, said to me, you need to broaden this and let everybody feel it. I'm trying. I'm trying to be me for you. I'm trying to let you feel the way that I understand how fashion is. So, if we have learned something today, that is everything that's wrong is right. You know what they always say, everything is old is new again. As I'm aging and I see life changing, little things don't matter to me as much. Do you feel like that? Even if you're 20 years old, do you feel like, well, I don't care if I'm having a bad hair day like I used to. Or I don't care that I gained 5 pounds like I used to. Or I don't care that there's one more line on my face than there used to be. Do you feel like that? Because I feel like that. I feel like, you know what? Let's concentrate on the big picture. And that is keeping us safe, healthy, realizing the people around us are here today and could be gone tomorrow. And realize that all we have is each other. Now, I have a great husband and twins, so my husband calls us, so we call ourselves we four. The strength. But if you're just we one, remember, there's a lot of ones. You put them all together and we're all in the same place at the same time, trying to get through this. So, guys, I love you. I love you for listening. I love that I get to talk to you one-on-one. So please share it with your friends. Let me motivate you through fashion, through my experiences, and through everything that I have learned through my life that has pushed me down And that only made me stand up stronger, higher, taller. So I love you. Stay tuned. YouTube, look out. We're kicking ass in Instagram, and now YouTube, you're next on my list. Love you. See ya, guys.